guys, welcome back to my videos. I am in Family Day. Cole's Family Day 2015. And my old classmate is here again. Hello. Hindi kita si... nakita ka na. There's soccer right here. So it is so big, really big. But when you see small space, there's a closet right there, holding a flag. So, where is my classmate Cristianismo?
Okay.
So, thank you guys for watching and goodbye. Goodbye.